we are having to see analysis of circuit diagram. This circuit we had seen earlier classes because any kind of one source, electrical source, have to adopt different kind of elements within it. This combination will called as the electrical circuit. Okay, this electrical circuit may vary and may give the different kind of directions or a different kind of placed where they are connected. Okay, that different circuits give us same meaning diagrams represent on the PPT. Okay, represent this electrical circuit. Let us see the analysis of a circuit diagram. Always we have to consider what kind of amount being in beginning of each element and what kind of amount energy being in end of that element. We must analyze each and every circuit diagram represent here. Okay. According that explanation, we have to calculate potential difference of elements, then rules of resistor connected in series, rules of resistor connected in parallel, as well as capacitor. Final rule is Kirchhoff's rules. These four categories is very important category to analysis the electrical circuit as their originality. Okay, let us see the resistor in series. If we need to connect the resistor in series, we must concentrate where the resistor is placed in that circuit diagram. If resistor in series connection, first resistor ending will be able to connect other resistor beginning. Okay, while that concept R1 resistor negative which is connected with R2 resistor positive polarity. This resistor setup shows this circuit is a series circuit. Okay, now del V is a battery connected with R1 and R2 of series resistor. Finally, this R2 series resistor negative which is connected to battery negatives. This circuit called a resistance series circuit. Okay. Now we making the circuit into a mathematical adaptation. If each and every element in the electrical circuit having the potential difference. Okay. Potential difference in the sense element can get a initial position of voltage and produce a output of voltage. Those two voltage is the potential difference voltage. So now making to solve this potential difference voltage by using this Ohm's law. Okay. We take R1, R2 resistor for solving this Ohm's law. R2 resistor allow the battery current into them. While allowing the current, it contain a potential difference of B node and C node. Okay. So regarding this Ohm's law, voltage drop equal to I into R. So voltage drop is ending voltage VC minus receiving voltage VB equal to flowing of current I and the particular element R, R2. This is Ohm's law constraints of R2 element. Next, we have to solve R1 resistor. Similarly, like the above results. Come out and sort out those two equations with the help of Ohm's law Finally, we will get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. This is resistor in series circuit. We have possible to connected one or more number of resistor in series, that all resistor connected the name of R equivalent. If we take 10 resistor connected in series, we making the mathematical equation R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to 10, R10. So we have possible to connect number of resistance across this resistance series circuit.